In this Fresh Farm video, we're looking at tomatoes. Tomatoes grow best in the warm sun and usually arrive at markets in the summer and fall. Tomatoes are probably known best as the base for things like ketchup, tomato soup, and the tomato sauce on your pizza. But they have many other uses. Tomatoes come in a wide variety of sizes and colors, from small, yellow and red cherry tomatoes that you can eat in one bite, to large beefsteak tomatoes that can be the size of a softball, and many others in between. If you're not going to use your tomatoes right away and they're still somewhat firm, they can be stored on your kitchen counter for a few days. When they begin to get soft, it's time to eat them or put them in the fridge. If they eventually go too soft or change color or develop mold, they should be discarded. Once you're ready to use your tomato, make sure you first give it a quick rinse. Tomatoes can be used in many ways. They can be sliced and eaten by themselves with maybe a little salt, pepper, or fresh herbs, or olive oil. Tomatoes can be placed on sandwiches, or cut up and added to salads, or even added to soups. Tomatoes are also delicious sautéed in a pan with other vegetables and a little oil, and placed over pasta. There are many ways to enjoy tomatoes, so feel free to explore the Fresh Farm recipe page and have fun cooking.